What's going on, guys? AR Car Reviews, and today we are in Manhattan because I am giving away my Honda Civic for this car just for 24 hours. If you might be asking yourself why, it's because I gotta learn how to drive this. Yes, that's correct. I don't know how to drive stick shift. I know I review cars, but I'm gonna learn today by forcing myself to drive this car for 24 hours. So let's see how that goes.
12 seconds later.
It did not work out.
5 minutes later.
It's not going so good. So
1 hour later.
RIP clutch.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
But yeah, it's been 24 hours driving a manual. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. So, if you guys don't know, this is my first time ever having a manual car, okay? I took some lessons before and I kind of got taught, you know, but the thing is I never actually had a manual car, so everything was really slow and I just never actually ended up learning anything. So there are some things I do know and some things I don't know, but for the most part we're going to try to figure all that stuff out today. So I'm going to put the handbrake down, I'm going to clutch in and start the engine. All right, so the car is in neutral. I probably should check that before, but I know because I put it there. And hopefully this won't be that bad. Hopefully I won't struggle too much, but I know it's going to be a painful experience. So for now I do have somewhere to go, but we're just going to drive around, just get my confidence level up. Okay, you guys feel me? All right, so ready to go. So I'm gonna put in neutral to first, and now we're gonna take it off of the neutral, and I'm gonna, so now we're in first gear. Let me give it some gas. Why isn't it turning? All right, we're good. All right, so okay, I saved it. That's the important part to know. The car did not shut off. I did not stall. I still didn't stall, I guess. All right, still didn't stall. Probably because I had some practice before this, but now I'm gonna reverse. Oh, this is so painful. I hate reversing in this. Some lady passing. Oh, some truck. Oh my gosh, please, sir. All right, he's out of the way. I guess I took too long. So just to let you know, this is the worst place to actually be like driving stick shift or learning stick shift, because people in Manhattan do not wait, okay? People in Manhattan go and they do whatever they have to do. So the fact that I'm trying it here is probably not the best idea, but okay. The light is literally green in front of me and I can't even go anywhere. Okay, I'm moving. I'm gonna foot off of it. Alright. We're in first gear. I'm gonna shift up. Second gear. Alright, let's go. See, I know what I'm doing. Come on now. Don't play with me. Alright, we're gonna make a left turn. So I'm gonna hit the brake a little bit. It's a family over there, so I can hit back on the gas. So I have the fundamentals of learning how to drive stick shift, but I've never done it before by myself. So I'm really happy to say I'm not that bad. I feel like I'm really not that bad. There's a lot of things I feel like people can tell you all the time when it comes to driving stick shift, but until you go and do it yourself, will you ever actually get that confidence level to be like, okay, I know exactly what I'm doing, you know what I mean? So all right, let's set a stop. Let's go into first gear. That was smooth. That was really smooth. And before it stalls out, we're gonna go. Now I will say this car is perfect for me to learn how to drive stick shift in. I ultimately want to get a Ford Mustang GT and I want to drive that stick shift. So the fact that I'm doing this car is like a good precursor. I don't want to kind of like just jump into a 500 horsepower monster. Like this one has 252, but ultimately it's not that bad compared to other cars, you know. So, and plus driving manual is fun. I feel like everybody should learn how to drive manual. It is the original way how to drive, and you know, you never know when you might need it one day. So here I am learning it, forcing myself to get into it, and no better car than a small 4-cylinder turbocharged car. Driving a Mustang, this big old heavy car, this feels like you almost have to know what you're doing. So it's pretty good. I'm getting good practice, and let's see how far it goes. All right, clutch in, first gear, and let's go. Was about to stall, I didn't stall. But how do you guys drive manual? Like, I really don't understand how you guys drive manual every day. Like, literally, it's like you gotta turn, you gotta look at people in your side view mirrors, you gotta watch the speed limit. I don't even know what speed I've been going. I've just been focused on moving. Like, it's so difficult. This times where I'm rolling back. Okay. That wasn't bad. I saved it. And dodge potholes while you guys are Superman or something. But I do like doing it on this car. This car has a lot of like I want to say spirit. I'm just gonna put it in neutral and just coast. And now another thing I will say, I thought braking in a manual car would be almost impossible. It's honestly not that bad. The only complaint I do have is that this car literally feels like these Recaro bucket seats. Like, yeah, they're sporty and whatever, they hold you into place, but like, man, they're holding me snug. Like, I feel like I can't even move my legs. I would hate to be in a car like this for like a day, honestly. This car, like the Recaro bucket seats are not worth it, bro. But I feel like for a car like this, you know, it makes it a little more sportier. I am going to do a car review on this car, but first I got to learn how to drive this car. So that's this video. Almost stalled out there. Have I even stalled? Can we, like, okay. For the whole duration of this video, we're going to have a stall counter of every time that I stall. But yeah, again, guys, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let's try to get this video to, I don't know, try to get this video to something. I'm having fun though. I'm having fun. This one thing about manual cars is that you always have fun with the cars, except for when you're in a bad situation. All right, so we are back. This time I'm gonna get a different perspective, just so you guys see that I don't have a doppelganger over here, you know, shifting for me and stuff. But so let's get back on the road. At this point, I feel pretty confident, you know, but I still just want to make sure I'm good before I actually go on the highway. Come on. All right, yes. Just want to make sure I'm good before I go on the highway, because the highway is very what? Oh shoot. Damn, bro. Damn, parking. Did I stall?
He did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No, that doesn't count. I didn't know. But yeah, listen, the parking brake was on. You guys are never patient, I tell you, boy. Bro, even turning is harder. Oh, I think I'm gonna cut this guy off. It's fine. He's not driving manual. He don't matter.
Okay.
I feel pretty good though. I feel pretty good. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get on the highway. That's going to be another shoot, man. That's gonna be another thing in itself, man. But I feel pretty confident going from 1 to 2. So if there is traffic, I should be fine. But yeah, so put it in the comments. Oh, what is that guy doing? All right, guys, put it in the comments below. How do you guys think I'm doing? Honestly, I stalled that one time, but that doesn't count. The handbrake was up, so I was wondering why it took me so long to shift. But apart from that, I think I'm doing a pretty good job, if I have to say so myself. Like, for the first time being on a stick shift car by myself, you know, I feel like I'm doing pretty good, honestly. First, give it some gas. Third. Oh, let's slow down a little bit. Where am I headed? Where am I going? Oh my gosh, I think the highway came a little quicker than I expected. I was not expecting to be on the highway right now. But you know what they say, when in Rome. Yeah, this is a lot more intimidating than I thought it was gonna be. Do not want to be here anymore. Actually, I'm doing pretty good. I just need to be mindful of the gear that I'm in. I think that's what it is. And I'm in third gear, I believe. Neutral. We're gonna brake. All right. Listen, guys. I'm doing pretty good. Honestly, I'm doing pretty good. Like, I think a good way to see if you're a good manual driver if other cars on the road don't know you're a manual. Like, obviously, if you're stalling and doing all that other stuff, like, people are gonna know you're. Oh my gosh, Jesus! Oh shoot, I stalled out. Oh shoot! Come on, now don't do this to me. Oh, bruh. Of course, I spoke way too soon. I spoke way too soon. I spoke way too soon. Oh my gosh, I spoke way too soon. That's the new Integra. I wonder if he's driving the manual. It's probably not. Maybe, I don't know. It almost feels like I'm driving for the first time again. It's like I have to remember everything. I have to do everything like 20 times. Wait till people find out they're behind the manual driver. The guy behind me didn't even know. That's why he wasn't blowing me. He was on his phone. Thank God, because I can't deal with all the honks and the stuff. Now I'm driving in manual traffic. I did not want to be doing this. I don't have the skill set for this yet, okay? It's so funny because whenever I play like racing games like Forza and stuff like that, and I put it into manual mode, I cannot shift for the life of me. But here I am in real life. I said, look at me now, let's go. Let's go. Man's over here shifting. Okay. All right, I look like I know what I'm doing. Probably because I know what I'm doing. I'm driving smooth. It's telling me to go up to 5. I don't know if I made it. Did I make it? I think I did. Looks like I made it. That was fun. That thing was moving. Oh my gosh. This thing is fun, bruh. All right. Clutch in, neutral. All right, in brake. Yo, come on, look at me, man. Come on, look at me. Come on. Yo, hit that like button for that. Come on now, guys. Come on. I'm out here, bro. I am out here, okay? I'm having fun. I actually did that. I did not miss my shift.
Everything was all good in AR Car Review's video until he started to hear a noise. And then this happened.
Oh no, this is not good. I'm causing traffic. I think I need to start up again from 0 or something like that, because this is not going well. Stop being so close up under me. Well guys, if you've seen this video, just know I have smoked the clutch on this car. Yes, the Ford Focus ST, I smoked the clutch. So basically, I think I was trying to downshift, or I don't know, I missed the shift or something like that. And I just basically ended up losing power to every single thing in the car. Super annoying. But luckily the owner of the car is a super cool guy. You know, it's not that bad, but yeah, so right now I'm just basically letting the engine cool off, you know. Yeah, I'm basically just letting it, you know, cool off. It is pretty hot under the hood. That's definitely like the clutch. I don't know if I made a mistake or anything like that, but I was really driving this car for a long time. I didn't really have a lot of issues, and I like to think my driving got better, but maybe it didn't, and it ended up just getting worse. But now I know to be a little more careful, especially with shifting. For driving a manual car, I had a lot of fun before this happened, okay? So for like 98% of the day, I was having the best time ever. The car was so much fun. The shots of the car were great, but now it's not going so good. So if you guys can, please like this video, subscribe, and RIP clutch. A couple guys helped me come up the hill. Shout out to them, they're real legends. Like, I was stuck on a highway off ramp, so you know, everybody was blown and stuff. So, you know, for now, just wait on the tow truck. It's gonna be about an hour. I really just want to go home, get back to my own car. So yeah, that's been 24 hours driving a manual. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
AR out.